it's Maggie in front.
And Kate's behind camera.
And we're doing a walkthrough with Lynne's amazing wedding memory box and a wedding album, and she's used Stamperia papers, and I think it's called Wedding. This is our smallest size memory box, isn't it? And it's been edged with the silver Pebeo marker. So that's the top when you open it up. That's the inside, and that's one of the trademark things with our memory boxes is that you have an inside square so that the box stays sturdy, the lid stays sturdy, and it won't, I know that's not the right way, but it won't fall off easily.
Do you want to take the lid?
Yes, I'll give you the lid. So I'm going to remove the album. I'll pass that to my glamorous assistant, the box. Okay, so this is a beautiful album that Lynne has made. So she's used, for the little ribbon closures there, she's used our perfect finish circle die set, and that's basically a set of dies that go up from 1/4 of an inch up to 1 inch, and they have pierced edges, plain edges, and you also get them with a perfect hole in the middle, so you can use them for folios and all sorts of things like that. And another trademark of Lynne's is on the back here. She likes to put a dangle.
Oh, well, I haven't got a dangle in. Hold on. Towards me, Dad. Dangle is now in.
She's got a dangle here, and I think that's a cat's eyes die she's used there.
Yes.
And then on her dangle, again, she's used the perfect finish circles, and that will spell out the word marriage, which is very clever. So that's the back of it. And now we're going to go inside. Now, Lynne said this album took her a lot longer to make because she used white card. So she said she was washing her hands constantly. So here...
I think she vowed never to use white card ever again.
Yes, she did. So here we've got a diagonal tuck spot, diagonal pocket, and then you've just got... I like the colour of that grey green. So then here, lift that up. Can you see it all okay?
Yep.
Okay, and then, oh, she's done a concertina pocket here, and I think that's on one of our blog posts that she did. And then in here she's got lots of lovely little photo mats. Lots and lots to store all your photos. I do like this paper. And then that's a pull out from the pocket page. That's a pull out.
It's a nice size for wedding photographs.
It is, isn't it? And I'm just thinking, I've got a ruler somewhere. Should we see what size the pages are? Pages are 8 1/4. Are they 8 1/4? Yeah. 8 1/4 by 8 1/2. I think, no, 8 1/4 by 8 1/4. So that's the first page. So in here she's used our photo slots, and that one is set 2 and that one is set 1. And then she's paper matched here, followed the pattern across, and then when you open out here, and here she's used our cut-in photo slots, the little tiny triangles that you can cut in different sizes. She's done like a... And again, she's got little tuck spots there. Again, on this side, that opens up. And then here, that one pulls out. And then you can see here, you've got a photo slot that's been cut out, but then if you open up here, that's our archway flip flap. That's brilliant actually for a wedding one, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And then on the other side you've got our 3x3 photo slots. And I think she's mirrored it on this side. Yes, she has. So very effective. You could have a lovely picture there of just the bride and groom, literally as they're coming out of the church.
Yes, yeah.
Couldn't you? That would be really lovely. Oops, that was a note for when we were on telly. So that's showing the cut-in photo slots again. The ones where you can make your own photo dimensions. That's for there. That's for there. And then again. another concertina pocket here with lots of photo mats stuffed in. I think this is one of my favourites, Kay.
She's done a fantastic job. Which
Yeah.
is, all her albums are stunning.
They are. And she's so quick with them, isn't she? So that's it. Oh, and I forgot to say, the hinges of this have been done with our silver frame tape. So it looks very effective, doesn't
It
it?
does.
So thank you very much, Lynn.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.